Good morning.
We're here to teach you a little bit about technology to see what you could do on it. My name's Isabel Evren and I'm a Health and Social Level 3 student.
My name's Tyne, I'm studying at Pont-y-pŵl College.
Elderly people can find themselves at home all day on their own sometimes. Teaching them something little as how to use a tablet, how to get a video up or use an app can really make a big impact on their day.
Yeah.
I've learned quite a lot from the carers today, being the youngsters and all that. With the different things, a tablet, I could teach them all to say out things that has happened years ago, but they're teaching me what's happening now.
A couple of weeks ago, we had two professionals come in.
Thank you for inviting us here today.
And talk to us about being a digital hero.
They come in, demonstrated to us different types of apps and accessibility ways that we can show older adults in care how to use it more beneficially. The course they delivered was really helpful. It's helped us expand our own knowledge and skills when out on placement.
I think it's really important for people to take up studying in social care. Obviously it's a career that's always going to be there, and there's such a variety of roles within the care sector.
I enjoyed being able to see them happy. It was nice to see how content they were with it and how much they enjoyed it. Just seeing their reactions really makes my day.